Hello, beautiful soul. I'm Natalie Southgate, creator of Chakradance, which is a movement therapy modality, which is all about helping people change their lives. And today I want to share with you a practical tip. I know I come in here a lot and talk about energy work and chakras and the psyche and dance and movement, which is all a big part of what I do. But I also find that often it's the small, practical day-to-day things that make a big difference in our lives. And I'll start by sharing a little story. I'm actually personally going through a lot of change in my life at the moment. You could call it chaotic, okay? A lot of chaos going on in many different aspects of my life. And what has happened as a result of that, without me even really noticing it, is that my outer life has kind of almost reflected that inner chaos, if you know what I mean. So things are a little bit messier. I've got things a little bit all over the place. I'm kind of a little bit more disorganized. And I hadn't really noticed this, to be honest. And I often meditate, and I did a meditation and I asked, what is it? And I often do this. What is it I most need to do right now on my journey? And, I'm used to getting this sort of spiritual guidance come through, and I kind of got to like clean up the mess, And I was like, oh, okay. And I got this whole vision of where the inner and the outer world very much reflect each other, okay? And we can do a lot of the inner work, and I know this to be a fact. When we do the inner work, our outer lives do change, okay? It ripples into, when we do this inner work, our behaviors can change, the opportunities that come to us can change. We can change our outer life by changing our inner world. But I hadn't really thought about it as much as doing it the other way round. And the message I got was to literally tidy up and to bring the beauty and to bring the calmness, to bring the peace that I want on the inside, to bring that into my outer space, to literally clean up, to burn beautiful oils, to buy some flowers or pick some flowers, you know what I mean? To put my crystals out, to actually create the space that I'm wanting to bring on the inside. And I thought, wow, that's just such a simple tip. And of course, that's what I've been doing. And I have been noticing the change with that. So I thought I would just share this as a practical tip when you're on this spiritual path, doing this work, to take into account this outer world and what's like one or two or three small things that you can do. It might be cleaning your car, it might be cleaning out one cupboard, one drawer, whatever it is, starting to do this out of work, knowing that it's going to be helping you in this inner realm, in this spiritual realm, in this healing realm as well. That's my little practical tip, my little nugget of gold for today. Sending you many blessings.